Hi, this is Cindy Fodor with Stamp the Love. I just wanted to pop on here and just remind all of you that our fabulous special for the Stamp and Starter Kit is ending very soon. Unfortunately, we only have about a little over 24 hours yet to take advantage of that uh, opportunity. So I wanted to tell you about it really quickly in case you don't maybe have any idea what we as demonstrators do and what this kit might entail for you. So I will try to answer some questions you might have without you actually asking them. So first of all, let me tell you about what the kit is. The kit is the Demonstrator kit, the Demonstrator Starter Kit, and it is $99. That is the regular price. Um, for that kit, you get to pick $125 worth of products, your choice, whatever you are interested in, and you get it for $99 plus tax. There's no shipping on this kit, and you know that shipping can eat you up, and that's a fabulous savings right there. So the special that's ending soon is that when you purchase this $99 kit, you get to add a whole bundle, like a stamp set and die set, or a stamp and punch set of your choice from the catalog. Um, so that takes the value of this up to probably around $175 plus. And there is no shipping cost on that bundle either. So, wow, what a great value. Who should get the kit? That's probably what you're saying. Like but it's not for me. I don't want to be a demonstrator. I don't want to have parties. I don't want to show people how to stamp. Um, I would say that most of my customers already show people how to stamp because they show their friends, and that's what I did when I got started. I was just excited about stamping, and I would show people my cards, and if they wanted to know, I would show them how to do a card. So a one-on-one is still showing people how to stamp. And if you don't want to even do that, if you want to just do it in your own home, as long as you are purchasing the minimum amount, which is $300 a quarter, you can stay active with Stampin' Up. Now, let's go back to the beginning. When you sign up for this kit, there is no required sales, parties, whatever. There's nothing that says, okay, this kit's $99, but as long as you have so many parties within a certain amount of time. None of that. That's not there. You won't find it in the writing. Because Stampin' Up! Knows how much fun it is to stamp, and when you get your stuff, you just want to dig in and play with it, and you cannot help but tell your friends about how much fun this is. So, yes, so those are the basic things you need to know. So who should do it? Everybody. Everybody that has $99 should do it. It is such a great value. You won't find any sales better than that. The really cool thing is, once you get the kit, you get anything that you want from the catalog. Even as demonstrators, we have the new holiday catalog coming out in August. And on July 1st, I get to pre-order from it because I'm a demonstrator. So anybody who orders this kit by the end of June will get to pre-order from the August through December mini catalog, which is not mini, by the way. It is very, very large. So imagine having a discount on everything in that catalog until you decide not to have a discount anymore. And then you just go back to being a regular paid customer of mine. And that is not a problem. I have plenty of people who try it out. They see what they like. They get what they want. I have ladies who have been with me for over 20 years, and they still are loving every minute of their stamping time and purchasing at their discount. It is totally up to you. I am not pushy. I just want everybody to get what they want from signing up. So I encourage you. I don't get anything out of this deal. I don't think. I don't get anything special if you sign up to get the kit. So I'm not telling you this so that I can earn something actually for this event. I don't think we earn anything. I might be wrong, but it was nothing obviously that stands out to me that makes me think that. I just know what a great value it is. And I know a lot of you could really use that discount. And the discount goes from 20% up to, I think 38% now is what we can get. But 20 to 25% immediately, right off the top discount. So if you would like to talk to me about it, if you have more questions, I hope that you will give me a holler. I'm going to just switch to a screen here. I want to show you a suggested kit that I have to click a few buttons to get here, but a suggested kit that Stampin' Up! Has made, and it's a really cool idea. So this one has the stamp set called Four Season Floral. So that would be nice for even holidays. And then the bundle, Jar of Flowers bundle, and it has the punch with it. And then they have some accessories. So I always say stamps, ink, and paper. In this case, we've got Whisper White cardstock. We've got the Flowers for All Seasons, Memories and More cards and envelopes, which are fabulous and totally gorgeous. And then they've added 2 of the new In Color ink pads, which even if you've been stamping with me a while, you probably don't have yet. So the Bumblebee and Just Jade ink pads. And then, who doesn't need another clear block? Most of us find that we could use an extra clear block when we're heavy into stamping. So there's a D block. Now, you don't have to get these things. These are just suggestions. Especially if you're starting out, if you don't have a lot of stuff yet, then these are some really, really good suggestions for you. The mini glue dots, Stampin' Dimensionals, the small grid paper, the cinnamon cider ribbon, which coordinates with the let me get back up here, with the Flowers for All Seasons cinnamon cider cards. And whoops, I'm going the wrong direction. Sorry. And our new Stampin' Seal adhesive. So a great idea for a starter kit. And I'm going to just click over here to you. If you go to my website, which is stampincindy.stampinup.net, and click on Join, this is what you'll see. And it's talking about the promotion. It's a limited time. Like I said, it's only another day and a half. And it tells you some things about what we do. And, you know, I love helping people to feel creative. I don't think I ever felt really creative in my life, and stamping really helped me to feel creative. I have seen it bring people together. I have people in my team who didn't know each other at all before they came to a gathering that we had, and they're good friends now, even in my stamp classes. That is so wonderful for me. I just see that as being so beneficial for everybody. I'm so happy for them that they have made friends and somebody to support them, encourage them. We also earn, like I said, the 20 to 25%. We have great support from Stampin' Up. The home office is so encouraging. And you can call and ask them any question any time of the day. Now, they have office hours, of course. It's not 24/7, but they will take the time to answer your question or find the answer for you. And like I said, you can create your own starter kit, and I gave you the suggestions of what you can use. So I'm going to go back here and just say the other thing that I can say that I can offer you is I offer training, and it's not necessarily business training. However, I do offer business training. But I usually try to train anybody who purchases the kit because I want you to know the value that you have when you are signed up as a demonstrator and what you can get for free or for, for the time that you're with us. So I do try to do a training either by phone or in person, depending on where you live, and what suits your schedule. But the other thing I offer is we have monthly Zoom calls, and we really call them parties. Like, we have fun together, we do projects together, we have prizes together. I do awards every month, and it has turned into a fabulous time of staying in your jammies, but yet really connecting with everybody. And then we do a quarterly meeting, and when it's not quarantine time, we get together, we have a meal together, we stamp and just have a lot of fun encouraging each other. So those are just a few of the things that I offer to my team, and I offer to my team members' teams as well. And then I have a fabulous upline who does a lot of great events for all of me and my team as well. So and these things are offered to you. They're not mandatory. You can join if you want to. It's just really so laid back. Like, I never call you and say, have you placed an order yet? Or I might say, you're pending. Are you planning to stay as a demonstrator? Just because sometimes that pending, that last month of the quarter pops up on people and they don't realize that they, if they want to stay active, they need to place their order. But any answer is okay with me as long as you know what's going on and it's what you want to do. So I think I tried to answer all the questions that you might have. I'm sure I missed something. So please feel free to post here if you have a question. Contact me by messenger if you have a question, or even call me if you have my number. I will put my website link in here, and my there's an email contact there where you can email me. So please get a hold of me really quickly, and I will try to answer any questions that you might have. So I will be happy to help you get your fabulous kit if you would like to do that. All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining me. I hope you have a good evening. Bye-bye.